Hello everyone, welcome back to CS Lectalks YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to explain another program of Java Practical, that is write a Java program to print the area and perimeter of a rectangle. So let's move to the notepad. We will write the program in notepad and after that we will execute it in command prompt. So here is our program. Import space java dot lang dot asterisk semicolon. Okay, next import space java dot util dot asterisk semicolon. Now class space expt4, that means experiment 4. Okay, so within the class I will write or I will define the main method, public static void main within bracket string args. Okay, opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket. Here inside the main method I will declare three variables for calculation of area, and for calculation of perimeter I will just use another variable to store the value of perimeter. So what will be the variables? One variable will be int length, another variable width, another area, another perimeter, semicolon. Okay, so for perimeter I'm writing just p. Then we will calculate the area of the rectangle. So first, to calculate the area of the rectangle, I have to take the input from the keyboard, and then after I will use the formula to calculate area is equal to length into breadth or length into width. Okay, it would be better to write breadth. Okay, so first system dot out dot print ln within bracket the length breadth of the rectangle, then semicolon. Here I will use the scanner class. Scanner sc is equal to scanner sc is equal to within bracket system dot in semicolon. Now sc, now I will write length is equal to sc dot next int next int int I will be capital semicolon depth is equal to sc dot next int semicolon. So in these two statements we can give the input from the keyboard to the system, that is length and breadth. So after that I will calculate area. Area is equal to length asterisk breadth semicolon. area is equal to length asterisk breadth semicolon. Then I will display it system dot out dot println within bracket area of rectangle, area of the rectangle is equal to plus double quotation and plus, yeah, semicolon. So after that, I'll calculate the perimeter. So for perimeter, I have used the value P. P is equal to 2 asterisk within bracket length plus breadth, bracket end semicolon. To display the perimeter, system dot out println ln in bracket perimeter perimeter is equal to plus P semicolon. So now my program is complete. Let's save it, and then after we will execute it. So here you see the class name is experiment4 Expt-4. So I have to save the program in this name. So I'm going to file, save as. So I will store it in my Java folder, sorry, Java lab folder, because I have already stored all the programs in this folder. Expt4 dot Java, Expt4 dot Java, because here you see the class name is Expt4. So I am saving it in the name of Expt4 dot Java. So now it is saved. So my program is complete. Let's move to the command prompt and see the result. So in command prompt, first I have to move to C drive. So after moving to C drive, because I have stored that folder, Java lab folder, inside the C drive, that's why I am once again entering into that folder, Java lab. So I have already entered into that folder. Now my program is already saved in that folder. So I am executing it. So before execution, I will compile it by giving the syntax Java C space class name dot Java. So my class name is experiment4.java. So expt4.java. So I will compile it. So if there will be any error, it will show the error. Otherwise, it will not show any error. So here one error is there. Uh, breadth breadth. Okay, let's see what is the error. Here I have declared a small b for breadth, but here I have taken capital B. So let's change it again, save it. Then once again Java C space experiment4.java. Yes, the program is correct and compiled perfectly. So after compiling the program, we can see the bytecode also. So let's see the bytecode. Here you see experiment4.java. This is our source code, and experiment4.class. This is the bytecode of this program. Okay, bytecode of this Java program. Experiment4.class. It will be saved in the class extension. So now I will clear the screen, and I want to see the output. Java space exp4. Enter the length and breadth. So I'm entering the length as 10, breadth as 5. Area of the rectangle is 50, perimeter is 30. Here you see area of the rectangle is 50 and the perimeter is 30. Okay, so once again, I want to execute it by giving different values. So with Java Expt-4, enter the length and breadth. So I'm entering 12 as the length and breadth as 8. Now enter. So area of the rectangle is 96, perimeter is equal to 40. Okay, so clear the screen. So now I want to see the program that I have written in Notepad. So for that, I'll write type, then tab expt4.java. Okay. So here you can see the complete program that I have written inside the Notepad. Okay. Complete program that is written inside the Notepad. It is shown here. If you want to see the bytecode, so let's move to see the bytecode. CS type space tab s tab until you get your desired extension or desired source code. So experiment4.class, this is the bytecode. Let's enter. Here you see this is the bytecode of this program, experiment4.class. Okay. So in this way, we can do various types of uh, programs related to calculation of area and perimeter of a rectangle, or area of a circle, area of a triangle. So various types of programs we can also do. Let's execute it once again and see another output. Java C space pt4 dot java. Next, Java space ext4. Enter the length and breadth. So I am entering the length as 20 and the breadth as 10. Area of the rectangle is 200 and perimeter is 60. So we can use 200 meter square, perimeter 60 meter, or whatever unit we may give. Okay. So if you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.